Gonna fix the mic pack here. Yeah, what's up, guys? Yeah, today's trade of the day sponsored by Pfizer. So of course we always look at different names when we're trying to make the trade of the day. We're trying to get names that are active, and I put it up on my sticky note. We looked at Pfizer. Why? Because they had earnings, and the earnings actually were pretty good despite you're seeing Pfizer down that 3.51%. I'm not going to go over their earnings. We're talking about trading right here. So let's go over some key levels. That's the very first thing that I look at when I'm saying, okay, something reported, it's doing lots of volume in the pre-market. Where are we, right? Because if you don't zoom back out and have a look at a larger scale here, then you're never going to know where the key levels are, what the stock is doing on a broader scope, right? And so if you scalp, different story. If you're looking for positions, different story. So here's the $50 right here, right? And again, always 50 is going to be a very, very key psychological level, as well as a level that just flat out, everybody's looking at it. You have options executed at these levels. So I was looking at 50 and saying, you know what? We've held there before. So maybe we hold again. And again, we like the report. It wasn't as bad as what it was supposed to open up down that 4.5%, almost 5%. So maybe I'll just try to zoom back over a little bit here. This is the trade initially, and it happens right away. We just parked our order right ahead of 50. So we actually, this is the line here. This is a 50 line, the blue. So we get long about like 50-20, something like that. And then instantly it's to the upside. And all we're doing at this point is just taking profits and trying to find out where we can get in and where we can get out. Off the open, stocks are absolutely crazy. And you can see how it just goes back and forth here. Like we have bought, like not only did I get out at 50, it actually rips up and then retests again. So this is where we're like, uh-oh, we know we have a great spot, but typically we like it just to continue to the upside, which it eventually does. But coming back in that same minute, this is a minute chart, that's scary. So we have to have our stop orders ready to rock and roll here at 50. They don't execute because it doesn't hit it. And then it's just bang, 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 all the way to the upside. And I can zoom back over this way a little bit, but this is the pre-market area of like 50, 80, 50, 70, 51. So as it starts to go and then blows up to the upside, this is where we're taking some out, and then we get the majority out up here because at this point we're above VWAP and we're above the 50 period here. So a lot of action. Not only that, look how back and forth this is. Like you have a high there of 51.40, right? That very same candle goes down to 50.40. So that's $1. That's $1 in 1 minute back and forth. So taking your profit here, very, very important. Here's the last out right here as we take VWAP down 50.70. Now we're flat. And we're like, okay, that was great. Can we do it again? Sure, why not? Comes all the way back down and we take the same trade again. We actually wait even deeper on this time. And it's a good thing we did because you see it goes up. We're like, okay, let's see if we can get another trade up here. We still have VWAP here about 50 cents away. Then all of a sudden it battles around. Then you do see a break. We take it one more time out. Like that out is like 49.90. So we've taken like 20, 30 cent hits here. We hold that last little piece and we get out at the very bottom. And I marked this, 49.60 is that bottom. That's like a 49.75 or so print. That makes sense. We normally get out at the quarter, so there's that out. Then all of a sudden, it goes crazy again. And here's this rip, just boom to the upside. We wait, trying to be a sniper here, and we take the short again at 50.25. Cash, 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 all the way back down. So we go long, make money, bumble it up around here, no damage really done. But I think we wound up losing there. Then we take the short, and again, 50.20s, out there at the 50 period, out at $50. We let it try to hold. It doesn't go down. We get out at 50 flat there. Then back and forth here at VWAP. No skin, nothing happens there. I believe that was a stop order that was executed back and forth. We try the short again at 51 here. Okay, we're already in this area, so we're like, all right, let's see what happens. Takes out 51 and we get out. So again, this is 50.85, 50.90, small hits again. Then back and forth here, short, long, and out, back and forth. Again, nothing happening. Then we kind of wait and we play off 52. And this is where the money comes in again for us on Pfizer. Short 52, out, 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 out. Breaks the 50 period. We let it break all the way down. Out 51.25, and that's it for Pfizer. So again, I think the important thing to talk about here when you're looking at a trade is if they have earnings like this on Pfizer, you're going to have to watch out. It's crazy off the open. Take your profits and then just be patient. Wait for key levels like we did down here at 50. And then we waited again at 52. The only time we really got in trouble is when we kind of played around in here and then played around at 51.50. So again, key levels seem to be pretty important, obviously on earnings day. So check mark on volume. check mark on move and on key level. It's Pfizer, and it's your trade of the day.